Yes, we had applied for discharge at the closure of the state case. Our argument basically being that the evidence that was led by the state to the stage of closure of its case did not in any way establish a prima facie case. What is a prima facie case? A prima facie case is a case whereupon the court considering it as evidence that it is capable of convicting. But the magistrate disagreed with the defense and dismissed the application, and the matter was rolled over to the 20th of November for the continuation of the defense case.
Do you think there are any chances that Sikhala will make it in some of these cases?
I'll be clear. Sikhala's position is he did not commit any offense. I think he has communicated that to the public. He has looked at the papers. Remember, he's a lawyer in his own right, and he's clear that the evidence that the state has against the charges that they are putting are not in any way sufficient to warrant a conviction. So he's very, in summation, he's very confident that he did not commit an offense, and one day, courts of the law shall find him not guilty.
Aywa.